According to industry analysts, Moderna is expected to meet the lower end of its sales target for this year. The company only needs to tap into a small portion of the private market with its COVID vaccine in order to reach its goal. 4 analysts have stated that Moderna can achieve $2 billion in sales from the private market by vaccinating around 20 million people with its updated COVID-19 vaccine by 2023. Moderna has previously stated that it anticipates a total demand of up to 100 million doses of its COVID vaccine in the fall season in the United States. The company has forecasted sales of $6 billion to $8 billion for its COVID-19 vaccine in 2023, with $2 billion to $4 billion expected to come from the commercial market. The remaining sales would be covered by previously signed government contracts. Moderna's shares have experienced a decline of approximately 22% since its larger rival, Pfizer, issued a warning. However, analysts believe that Moderna is unlikely to have a negative sales outlook like Pfizer because it started off with a more conservative approach. Analyst Michael Yee from Jefferies noted that although the rollout of Moderna's new shots was initially slow, it appears to be picking up pace, citing recent data. Yee expects the majority of the demand to come from individuals aged 65 and over. Moderna is set to report its third quarter results on Thursday, just 2 days after Pfizer posted its first quarterly loss since 2019. Pfizer's loss was due to a significant charge resulting from the U.S. government returning millions of doses of its COVID-19 antiviral treatment Paxlovid, as well as excess inventory of its COVID vaccine Comirnaty. Moderna's COVID vaccine is currently its only marketed product. The company's research and development costs have increased by 62% to $1.1 billion in the second quarter as it aims to bring other products to market, including a flu vaccine and a shot against respiratory syncytial virus. Moderna's RSV vaccine, which is expected to launch in the United States in 2024, demonstrated an efficacy of 82.4% in older adults with 3 or more symptoms in a late-stage trial. It will compete with recently approved vaccines from Pfizer and GSK. In September, data from a late-stage study of Moderna's flu vaccine with an updated formulation showed that it generated a stronger immune response against all 4 A and B strains of the influenza virus compared to traditional flu shots. Analyst Michael Yee predicts that Moderna's broader mRNA-based respiratory pipeline, which includes RSV and flu vaccines, will generate sales of $10 billion to $12 billion. This will help reduce expenses and bring stability to the company's research and development by 2025. Overall, Moderna is expected to meet its sales target for this year by tapping into the private market with its COVID vaccine. The company's future prospects also look promising with the development of other vaccines in its pipeline.